Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn cell cycle and cell division together step by step. In this chapter, we study how cells grow and divide, learning the stages of the cell cycle and the two types of division, mitosis and meiosis. The cell cycle has interphase, where the cell grows and copies its DNA in the G1, S, and G2 phases, followed by the M phase, when the cell actually divides. In mitosis, a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells with the same chromosome number. It is used for growth, repair, and replacing old cells. Mitosis proceeds through prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The chromosomes condense, line up, separate, and reform nuclei, followed by cytokinesis. Meiosis involves two successive divisions producing 4 cells, each with half the chromosome number. It forms gametes and introduces variation through crossing over. Mitosis keeps the chromosome number constant and produces identical cells, while meiosis halves it for sexual reproduction. Together, they ensure continuity and variation in life. To recap, the cell cycle has interphase and an M phase. Mitosis gives 2 identical cells for growth, and meiosis produces 4 gametes with half the chromosomes. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.